Here's a quick overview of how to install your kitchen. For more details, refer to the printed assembly instructions. If you need help with installation, visit your local IKEA store or call us for details. Start by sorting the packages cabinet by cabinet using the packing list and your kitchen drawing. This is so you know which package is which and where it will go. Make sure all the plumbing and electrical work is complete and that you know where the floor's highest point is and which, if any, of the corners are not 90 degrees. Mark out your new kitchen cabinet by cabinet and mark where the suspension rails will go. The base rail should be 82 centimeters above the floor's highest point. Before installing any product, always refer to the printed assembly instructions. Start by fastening the rails, base cabinet rails first. Use a spirit level to level them, then assemble your wall cabinets. Hang your wall cabinets, starting in the corner. Then assemble your base cabinets, including the legs. Hang your base cabinets, starting in the corner. Assemble your high cabinets and add the cover panels. Then hang the high cabinets. Get the lighting installed by a professional. Check the countertop is the correct size. You may need to cut the ends to ensure it fits exactly. Fit the countertop and then the plinth and ventilation grill. Fit the drawer slides in the cupboards. Remember that the slides for the inner and standard drawers are fitted in different ways. Refer to the printed assembly instructions for details. Then assemble the drawers. Remember to run your lighting cables before fitting the drawers. Fit and adjust the doors. Install the shelves and finally fit the knobs and handles.